That's saying thank you. Thank you for watching. You see how all is carved, like sitting on each other, like sitting. This one sat on this one. And this one carries this. You know. That is what is called shape. And everything has its own shape, like being curved. You see the curve, man? You see the curve, man? All is curve. You know? The curve is there. Wow. For those of you even coming late, you know. For those of you coming late, let me just do you like only two shots. 1, 2. Yeah, for those of you that came late, only 2 shots is good for you. So that you're gonna push the notification bell. So when I'm online live like this, man, you gotta be first people to know. So I give you only two shots. 1, 2. Yeah, when I do 2 here, I gotta do 2 here. 1, 2. You know. Are we having fun? Are you having fun, man? Yeah, thank you for that, love. I see that. I know you having fun. That's why I see that finger expressing that likes, man. Yeah. Yeah, you. Thank you so much, you. You know that one I did? This one I did now. Is hallelujah. That's what we call it. Hallelujah. That's what we call it. You know, we're shouting hallelujah, man. Because you press that like. That's why I'm shouting hallelujah. You know. This is my baby. You see, all these things you see that I've used in my own gym, those are my baby. Dude, this is my darling, man. I love this. I love this one. That's my darling. You know, when I wake up every day, man, you see this one, I just give it one kiss. Darling. The one that built your dream the way you want to look. This one. The one that makes people give you praise outside when you go out there. The one that make kids in your environment look up that they want to be like you. Kid tell the papa, Papa, I want to be like that guy. And Papa look and Papa smile.